Hey everyone, welcome back, and in today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to enable macros in Microsoft Excel. This is a super easy process, so let's jump right into it. First, open up Excel and click on the File tab. In the top left corner, I'll scroll all the way down and click on Options. In the Excel Options menu, go down to the bottom left and click on Trust Center, then hit the Trust Center Settings button on the right. Next, look to the left side again and select Macro Settings. Here's where you can control how macros behave. In Excel, if you want to enable all macros, you'll choose the fourth option, Enable All Macros. Keep in mind, enabling all macros can be risky if you're opening files from the internet or unknown sources, since macros can run harmful code, so only enable them if you trust the source. Once you make your selection, click OK, and then OK again to save and exit. If you're done working with your file, I recommend going back later and changing the setting back to disable all macros with notification just to stay on the safe side. That's it. Hope this helped you out. If it did, be sure to like the video and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.